Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a soft reset on your iPhone Air. So by a soft reset you may mean different things, and even though soft reset in technical terms is just a restart, I'm going to show you that, of course, but I'm also going to show you some other things that you might have meant instead, and just, searched for the wrong video because these terms get mixed up pretty easily. So a soft reset is a standard restart, and to do it, you can either press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons. You'll see this screen, and you can slide to power off. If you cannot access this screen because you cannot press and hold on these buttons, the same screen will be accessed by sliding down from the right top part of the screen, then clicking on this turn off button, basically pressing and holding. And now you can see the same thing, just slide to power off. Wait a moment until the phone goes fully off, and after that start pressing and holding on the power button. And this is that soft reset in technical terms. But as I said, these terms get mixed up pretty easily, so there's also a thing called force restart. Okay, it's not turning on yet, maybe I waited for too short. I need to press and hold on the power button, of course. Okay, it's turning on. So as I said, a force restart will be the second thing that I'm gonna show you. And a force restart is used when you cannot restart it through the standard method. Standard method that I've shown you may be not working if your screen is freezed, or you just can't do something on your iPhone, it's freezed, it's not responding. You may prefer to do the force restart, and to do it you'll need to quickly press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then press and hold the power button. So let's do it. Volume up, volume down, power button. Now slide to power off has shown up on my screen, but I'm gonna keep on pressing. Now I can release when the screen goes off, and let's wait a moment, the phone will turn on by itself. So this is the second thing that you might have mean. And the last thing is a hard reset. A hard reset or factory reset, which will erase all the data on your phone. So if you want to sell your phone, this is the best thing that you can do. Basically, factory reset it, right, to get rid of all the data on your phone. And the factory reset is in settings in general. Then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, and now go to erase all content and settings. But remember, it does indeed erase all content and all settings, so the phone gets back to factory state. But I'm still gonna show you how to do it. Let's go to erase all content and data, and then click on continue and erase iPhone. Now you'll need to enter your passcode for the iPhone. Now it's uploading data to the iCloud to backup your iPhone so you don't lose your data. I'm gonna skip the backup just for the sake of time, but it is worth doing that so you don't lose that data, right? After entering the password to your Apple account, click on confirm. Let's wait a moment, it's probably loading. It's asking for my Face ID for whatever reason. Let's do it. Yeah, I think it's processing in the background, Not. It technically should be doing all that right now. Sometimes it gets stuck here for a moment. Yeah, it was just stuck. I pressed on the delete button and it went immediately to this screen. So now it is resetting the iPhone. so it can be set up again, right? It takes just a moment, and now it'll welcome me with the welcoming screen, and of course I can either set it up or sell it or do whatever, because it's signed out of my Apple account. So not only it doesn't have my data on the phone, but also when someone buys the phone, they won't have problems with activating it. It won't have the iCloud activation lock, which happens if you reset your iPhone to factory default via a different method, because there's also a few different methods for resetting the iPhone, either via Find My service on a website. When you go to the iCloud.com website, you will have an option to reset your iPhone, but later on, during setting up of your iPhone, it'll ask you for the Apple account that was previously signed in, and you cannot skip that. So if you sell the phone in that state, the buyer won't be able to activate the phone, and they'll probably return it to you. Also, it can be reset via a computer and via recovery mode, but that also contains the activation lock, so it's just unskippable. And most of the phones that have activation lock are typically stolen, because someone has reset it without knowing the Apple account, and then it gets kind of tricky because they can't really sell it, right? Because first of all, it can be tracked down. Second of all, it doesn't make sense to sell it. Some people try to use it for screen replacement, but as I said, it still can be tracked down, and your iPhone, like the iPhone that you're replacing the screen in, also may have some problems with the screen being taken from a different iPhone. So I just need to have that in mind. Now I'm gonna get back to when it finishes, because you can see it takes quite a long time, and I don't want you to wait that long. And as you can see, it's reset, so I can set it up. And I think that will be about it for the video. I think I've explained just enough. I hope that the video was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Also leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.